Understanding Money Order, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where learning English is both fun and insightful. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the phrase, money order. If you've ever needed to send money safely without using cash or a personal check, you might find this method extremely useful. So, let's dive in and learn all about it. A money order is a payment method that involves paying for a printed order for a pre-specified amount of money. It's as straightforward as it sounds, but what makes it special? Well, a money order is considered more secure than other forms of payment for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it requires prepayment, which means the funds are guaranteed. Secondly, it's issued by a trusted entity, like a post office, bank, or specialized store. This means it's less risky for the receiver, as the money is almost certain to come through. Now that we know what a money order is, let's look at how it works. Imagine you want to pay your friend John Doe for his old guitar. You'd go to a place that issues money orders, fill out the document with the payment amount and John's details. You pay up front with a small fee for the service. Once John receives the money order, he can cash it at his bank or a location that cashes money orders. So, when is a money order a good idea? It's perfect for times when you can't or don't want to use cash, a check, or digital payment methods. For instance, you're purchasing something from someone you don't know well. The recipient requires a secure form of payment. You need to send money by mail. You don't have a bank account or prefer not to share your account details. Like any payment form, money orders have their pros and cons. Let's have a quick look at them. Advantages. Security. Money orders can't bounce as a personal check might, since they're prepaid. Widely accepted. They're recognized as a form of payment in many places around the world. Anonymity. You don't need to share personal banking information. Disadvantages. Inconvenience. Buying a money order can be less convenient than online transfers. Cost. Fees are attached, which vary depending on where you purchase the money order. Limits. There's usually a maximum limit to how much you can put on a single money order. And that's a wrap on money orders. We hope this video sheds light on how a money order can be a useful tool for your financial transactions. Whether you're buying a treasure at a garage sale or paying a bill, knowing how to use a money order is an excellent addition to your English financial vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep practicing your English every day for more tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.